Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost with clay. First, gather your essential materials: air-dry clay, aluminum foil, and a few simple sculpting tools. Opt for white or a very light-colored clay to achieve that traditional ghostly look. Before you begin, ensure your workspace is clean and flat, providing a stable area for your creative process. This preparation will make your sculpting experience much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, let's create the core of your ghost. Take a sheet of aluminum foil and crumple it into a cone or bell shape. This will serve as the internal armature for your clay ghost. Make sure the foil base is stable and stands approximately 3 to 5 inches tall, depending on your desired ghost size. This clever internal structure provides crucial support for the clay, helping it maintain its form, while also significantly reducing the overall weight. Next, we tackle payments and shipping, crucial for your KSA customers. Integrate local payment gateways, such as MATA and SDC Pay, to offer familiar options. Carefully set up your shipping zones and rates, ensuring they are accurate for all regions within Saudi Arabia. It is also wise to consider offering cash on delivery, a very popular payment method. Always clearly communicate your shipping and return policies to build customer confidence. For the finishing touches, use a small sculpting tool or even a toothpick to gently sculpt subtle eye sockets or a mouth, giving your ghost some character. Once you are happy with the details, allow your clay ghost to air dry completely. This process typically takes 24 to 48 hours, depending on the clay's thickness and humidity. Optionally, you can paint or seal your dried ghost for extra durability and a personalized touch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.